Hi, my name's Mark, and welcome to Membership Websites. Another feature that's overlooked sometimes by individuals is the image that they're using in the background. I would personally recommend that you be very careful when using human beings in the background of your hero section, especially if you're using it on all devices, because you really need to get the position right. And on different screen sizes, the position of that person will change. And if you're using a person, you need to make sure that it's relevant to the site, and that they're actually it's telling them, the image is telling them something. We don't have any people, or we do have very small people in this default image that Brilliant Directories is using just in the background of this hero section. And when we go to smaller devices, so let me just go to a mobile phone device. You can see here that it's quite unclear to make out sort of what the image is, what's going on in the background. And therefore, for mobile devices, for smaller devices, it's a bit unnecessary, the image. So I just want to show you this setting and just make you aware of this setting. We're just going to close that over. If you go into the back of your website, go to settings and design settings. When the page loads up, if you click on home page, and then the hero background image, there's a small box that's often missed by people, and that small box is just here, mobile image. And you can actually add a separate image, a different image, for phone viewers. So if you're using something that's quite detailed on your desktop, it might be advisable to use a smaller image. So you could maybe crop the image that you're using and make it smaller so it's more adaptable to mobile size screens. Or you might change the image completely, or you might just use an image with a solid background or something like that. But it's a really good way to sort of switch between the two images, and it might be a feature that you weren't familiar with. So I hope you found that video useful, and thanks for watching.